So we saw Anakin unbox and come out of the packaging, come to life, which was just awesome. So, all right, bud. Go ahead. Your turn. Pick a cube and open it up.
Okay.
Number 6 of our batch.
Let's see.
All Nikki. Man, the jump to light speed, the hyperspace is amazing.
Look at the sea.
Yep, yeah. Like the way it kind of jumps up.
What do we get?
Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
It might not be a Jedi. It's a Sith.
Look at that!
Wait,
Number 58.
but yeah, it's so cool. But we can still open it again.
Let's not open that one. Let's open the other Vader that we have and keep that low serial number for ourselves. See, we'll keep 58 sealed up.
Yeah.
And you can go ahead and open this. All right, go ahead. Let's just watch this again. Okay, cool. Is that opening? Look at it. You can watch the trail so he spins it around.
Yeah.
And the way he just moves his arms, like he just, it's very Darth Vader, right? They really captured the way he looks and moves, the way he kind of leans forward in that really kind of scary way. I mean, everything about this. But then also he's like tiny and chunky and adorable. And he's also scary and mean and evil all at the same time. You're the cutest bad guy ever, Darth Vader.
And most evilest looking one.
It's true. All right, very cool. Man, so now we have 2 versions of Vader here open. Here we go.
Anakin Skywalker.
Yep.
Anakin Skywalker and Darth Vader.
All right, same guy at 2 different points in his life. So, very cool. All right, we'll be back. Now, here's a question real quick. We've got a common Skeletor and a common Vader here. Which one of these bad guys is scarier?
Really? This is hard. I'm going with. What do you think?
I mean, normally it's Vader, but something about the way he's built, he's just kind of like cute. But I don't know, they both are.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments.
There you go. You guys let us know. Who are you more afraid of? Which one of these? If a little 2-foot tall Skeletor or Vader came into your bedroom in the middle of the night to attack you, who would be cute and who would be scary? I like to see these two just kind of argue with each other.
Yeah.
That would be little tiny bad guys yelling at each other would be really funny. All right, we'll see you next time.